Hi, that's me, Sanya. What really drives me is simple curiosity. How can farmers get the best performance from crop protection sprays all year round? So during the day and different seasons, temperature will change in the field. What will be solubility at this point? My research shows how changing temperature affects how active ingredients are solubilized. So we can help make crop protection products for all seasons. It's amazing what you can achieve through simple curiosity.